and welcome to this fabulous tip I have for you today. It is so easy. We're going to be using some washi tape, some string, some really small scissors, and if you've got it, some embossing powder and some inks. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make some beautiful embellishments. We're going to have feathers. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to, I like to have about 3 layers on mine. Now some people just use 2 and that's fine too, but when you have 3 layers, what it means is that you can go as fat as you like, so your feather can be as wide as you like, or you can have it a little bit thicker for the embossing part of it. So I'm just going to cut myself some string, and that's going to be the spine of your feather. And then I'm going to start by just putting one piece down right through the middle, trying to get it straight. It's really, really important. Okay, and then I'm going to get another piece and I'm going to put it either side like so. And then I'm going to actually fold mine in. Like I say, we're going to be using it to be a little bit thicker than normal, because we're going to be using it for embossing. So I'm just going to fold my edges in back into the middle of my string that I've got. And now this is the really important part, getting the shape and the length right. Now obviously this is ridiculously too long and I could probably make 2 out of it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the top, and I'm just going to very carefully cut the top into a point like so. And I'm making sure that the string, I'm not going to cut the string, that I'm just going to pull it to where I think the feather will come to an end, and then I'm just again going to cut it in. But the bottom needs to be, in my opinion, a little bit rounder than the top, but you'll get a feel for how you want it to be. And I'm just going to trim the top off there because I don't want anything sticking out. There we go. Now I'm just going to trim that because that's too long. And I'm just going to move everything to the side. And slowly what I'm going to do is just, and this is why small scissors are really, really important, I'm just going to cut all the way down. Okay, so there we have our beautiful feather. Now you can use it like that, or you can actually add a little bit of embossing to it.